That house is not for sale. This one is. So for starters, check this out. We've got 4 cars in the driveway right now, and there's room for 2 more cars. So you can fit 6 vehicles in this driveway. It's like over triple wide. 1,691 square feet, 3.2, plus an additional about 400 square feet finished off garage. Split plan home. This is one of the bedrooms. This is like Captain America's bedroom here. It's actually pretty sweet. Good paint job, good paint job. Don't ever grow up, kids, don't ever grow up. So 1 bedroom, it's got the hardwood laminate floors in it. Next bedroom on this side of the house. Same floors throughout. Got some soundproofing for a podcast that he shoots. It's got a queen size bed, fits pretty comfortably here. Second bathroom. Tub shower combo. Nothing too crazy, but well done. Just kidding, there's no heat coming from that. All right, we have kitchen living room combo. What's great is that the living room behind me, the dining room, and then kind of the front sitting area where that fireplace was, it's all open. So you have plenty of room to have multiple conversations going on if you're having people over, and you can all be together. You're not jammed up in on top of each other. All right, they did a really good job with the kitchen in terms of functionality and space. So it's not a massive kitchen that you're like running around from counter to counter, but it's big enough so that 2 people can still work in here comfortably. They have a little island peninsula, all granite, easy close cupboards. You gotta love that, they're not slamming stuff. You can supervise the kids in the pool. Dishwasher works. Plenty of storage. Pull-outs there. That's a great feature. It's really super functional, well-designed kitchen. All right, I stepped down into the living room. This was an addition that they put on themselves, fully permitted, don't worry. It's a great sized room. I think it's I measured it the other day, 16 by 20. I might be off on that, or no, 17 by 20. I don't know. It's a good sized room. Again, open to the living room or dining room, open to the kitchen. Perfect for sitting around and watching some football or whatever else people do in their living room. Quick note: the entire roof, the front, the main house is a steel roof with solar on it, and then this addition is only a 2-year-old roof as well, and it is flat, that roll-on newfangled roofing stuff. Here's a master bedroom. Got plenty of windows. You can see the pool here. Man, listen to that. They're all impact hurricane windows, so you don't need to put up storm shutters or storm windows. You don't need to screw plywood into the side of your house. And it's great, so if you lose power and there's a hurricane or storm and you are shuttered up, a lot of times it's dark and you can't see anything. So with these, you still get natural daylight in, so you're not shut in the dark during a hurricane or a storm. Another perk of the windows is the reduction in your homeowner's insurance. When you get a house inspection, you're going to get your 4-point inspection, which is what you're gonna need for insurance. Then when you do your 4-point, you'll also get a wind mitigation report, and that will be a series of discounts to help lower your homeowner's insurance. These windows will help lower your homeowner's insurance. This is a bathroom. There we go. Nice walk-in shower. Nice top floor. This door, which we won't go out right now, but it walks out to the pool. So you can take a morning swim or whatever you would like. King size bed. There's plenty of room. It's a good sized master bedroom. The backyard area is awesome. The pool design, or walk-in steps, I just butchered that entire thing. Let's go, take 2. So here's the pool. It's a lot, it looks like it's cold out and it's overcast, but it's not cold, and I'm sweating right now with this sweatshirt going on. Anyways, here's the pool area. Steps lead in, deep end over there. It's a great looking pool. Another thing about the pool is a saltwater chlorinated pool, and it's heated, so you can use it year round. We got a bench going on there. It's really a big area back here. Zero escape lawn. You don't have to worry about cutting your grass, which is a great perk. And your pets can still go to the bathroom back here. I gotta show you this back area. So, this is Joe's Creek behind the house, so there's no immediate neighbor at all. And there's alley access that you can drive back there. And they have their gate shut. So, we'll just peek over the fence. Alright, you ask why I show you that. Simple reason that there's alley access. You can drive behind your house, open up your gate. You could park an RV back here, you could park a boat back here. You can go sit out by the canal, Joe's Creek. I think I said lake, I'm not sure. But it's an awesome area. Storage shed. Alright, here's a finished off garage. So again, the house is $1,691 and this is an additional almost 400 square feet. Easily could turn it into, it is essentially a 4th bedroom. Also could be an in-law suite, could be an office. They have their office set up here. Storage, put your bikes. You could fit a kayak in here and still get it out the side yard. A lot of room in here. Extra storage closet. So it's already set up literally to be a bedroom. Indoor laundry. There's your exit. Here's a room. Plumbing's already ran. You could easily put a bathroom in here if you wanted to, and then you'd be all set with an in-law suite or a home office where you have an exterior entrance. They would never even need to step foot in your house. A lot of possibilities. All right, we're all done just in time for the rain. So, to recap here. We're at 5831 42nd Ave North. Sun Haven Homes near the Kansas City area. Listed at $329,900, $329,800 actually. 4.2, technically a 3.2. It's a beautiful home, come check it out.